Hi guys, I'm just gonna show you how we trade with the indicator. So let's start. So I already have my indicators ready, but I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, so now there's nothing on the screen, and this is our chart. Okay, so first thing first, we're gonna add the indicator. So we'll start with the RSI. And these are the settings, so you can see period 1 close, they apply to close, and these are the levels. So 50, 90, 80, 10, 20. Mines are not in order, so you can put yours in order, but that doesn't matter as far as you have this level. And then you can see the style upward thickness, and then I change the color of the RSI to black so it matches my screen background, and then it should come up like this. Okay, so and then after that we will add the Ichimoku indicator, and these are the settings. So it's not default settings, but it's changed, it's different. So these are the settings, and then the colors you can just put it according to your preference, but I'll just put it like this. So yeah, so now you can see the bullish cloud, and then you can see bearish cloud. So bearish cloud represent bearish trend, bullish cloud represent bullish trend, and the yellow span B represent the price. Okay, so now let's just go for intraday setup. So for example, here look, price is at overbought area. Before I start that, so I will give you the zoom in levels as well, so you can see you need to focus in two levels. So zoom in to two levels, so 1 2. I'll repeat that again. So you need to zoom in to two levels, 1 2 1 2. Okay, so now you can see my price is at the overbought area, and then here we have confirmation, and then what would we do? We sell. Once we sell, price goes all the way down. Once we sell, price goes all the way down. You can see price was in a bullish trend, and then here breaks, and then goes back up, retest, and then we sell again. So this, look, if we even mark with support and resistance, you can see this is our resistance level. It was support before, then price breaks, becomes resistant, and then goes back up, and then goes, and then we can sell here again, and then price keeps going back, and then look, it goes back to the 50 level. Yeah, and then from there we can see we have more zones. Not here. We can see we have more level, and then look, price from there goes back up, and then you can see it doesn't break the previous resistance, so it's not clear yet. So and then price finally breaks the resistance. You can see this was the resistance, and then in here this is our resistance. So it breaks, and then once it breaks, look, today a lot of people were selling, but we were focusing on buy. You can see price went all the way up. Now price is at the oversold area, so we're gonna wait for reasons to sell, but price is all-time high. But if you look, I'm gonna zoom in again, 1 2. So if you look here again, same thing, price was moving sideways, but it was never breaking the support level. So this is the support level. It was never breaking the support level. So now it never breaks the support level, and then price from there, price keeps going up. Look, it did go up, and you can see it shows you a bullish trend as well. And then price was going back every time there's a support level. So we got a support level here as well. There's a support level. We got support level here as well. And then price keeps going back up. Okay. So I'm just gonna give another example. Let me just delete this. Okay. Look, price comes here. Price comes to the oversold area, and then price starts going back up. And you can see same thing here. Price goes up. Okay. Look, another example here. Price is at overbought area, and then price drops, and then we can see we have a another support area. Not support, sorry, resistant area. We have another resistant area. Price goes there, and then we have another resistant area. Price drops down and then goes back up, and then here respect the resistant area, and then we just enter, and price goes down. So look at this, another example. Price goes up. Look, when price is the oversold, respects, and price goes down. You can see, then you can see, and then okay, and then look, all this is just bullish trend. It starts from all the way here. I started from all the way here, so now price is just constantly going up and up. But if you focus, price never breaks the bullish cloud. Here it breaks but goes up, but we have support area but that never gets broken, and then price keeps going up again. Same here, we have another support area, and then price keeps going up. So I hope this is clear, how we buy and how we sell based on the indicator. Okay, thank you.